Hi YouTubers and whatchavers everywhere, it's Mark at GeorgeToon.com. I'm back with another video. This time around, it's an unboxing. This came in today from Amazon Prime, and it's got the Prime logo all over it. And it came all the way from Lexington, Kentucky. Can you see that? Lexington, Kentucky, all the way from there. And I saw some discussion about this online, so I thought I'd take a chance with it. And you know, it's got a new tear perforation. That's right. So hopefully it'll open up easily. Let's see if it. No, it's not gonna. No. There it is. Okay, fine. It worked. And inside we have. Okay, gotta take it out. Okay, gotta take it out. Sold as a set, not separately. Here it is. I've got 3 of these. This is La Toja. Or La Toja? La Toja? I don't know, maybe if somebody out there knows how to pronounce this, it's Spanish. This is a shaving stick. And I got 3 of these for about 17 bucks. So it's a little bit, you know, it's going to be a good price for it with Prime shipping. I think that's what I paid, 17 bucks. So really, I thought I'd give it a try. And there it is right there. And it just sits in there. So it's almost like a large version of the Palmolive stick. It looks like, you know, like same kind of wrapper and that sort of thing. And the reason why I got this is because there are vent holes on the top there, see that? And there's also some venting on the bottom where you use this thing. And someone said that you can use this to store a travel shaving brush after the soap is used up, which I thought was kind of neat. But it's got a nice scent, and we're going to use this. So La Toja, I got a 3-pack for about 17 bucks on Amazon Prime. I'll post links for it for you, and I'll also look around, see if there are some other deals on eBay, that sort of thing. But, you know, can't have too many shave sticks to try. So I just compare it right now with the Palmolive here. So it gets about this, you know, a little bit larger, but it's made in Spain, and I hear it's very, very good. Highly rated. A lot of guys like it a lot. So about the same size as an Arco stick, you know, the case and everything. Here, see that? About the same size as Arco. So we're gonna give it a try and do an on-camera demo here pretty soon and see how it works. So La Toja, or La Toja. If you know how to pronounce it, you know, let me know in the comments below or direct me to pronunciation guide on Google, La Toja. So it's kind of a twofer. You get a great shaving stick, and after it's done, you can use it as a compartment, travel compartment for a travel shaving brush, some of the smaller ones. And I've got a couple that will probably work with this. At least one I know will work. All right, so that's it. Thanks very, very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Thanks again to everybody who subscribed and got me over that $1,000, I wish. Got me over the 1,000 subscriber mark. I really do appreciate that. It's very, very nice of all you guys. Thank you very, very much. Continue to share, continue to encourage people to subscribe to the channel. Really do appreciate it. Comment below, let me know. Check out my blog, GeorgeToon.com/blog. For my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this. I'm excited about this. And I'll see you again real soon.